Hello people, my name is Maria Paula Palmar Peña. Welcome to Thailand News. With you, Maria Jose. Good afternoon, Maria Jose.
Hello, I am Maria Jose, and today I will start talking about the history and foundation of Thailand. The history of the Thailand had its root during the first millennium, with the migration of the Thais from southern China to the territory that we know today as Thailand. 1. Land and Kingdom. Founded in the 2292 around the city of Chiang Mai. In the unified the people of the northern region and later weakened falling in the hands of the Mercs. 2. Sukhothai Kingdom. The state of the nation of the country. When the revolt from Karen ruled in the 1238, establishing the kingdom of Sukhothai. Ayutthaya Kingdom. This kingdom made two important contributions to Thai story, establishing and promoting Theravada Buddhism as the official religion. To the difference is the from the Hindu kingdom Dharmasastra as the official code of laws. Ayutthaya dominated an area that streamed from the Islamic state of the Malay Peninsula to the northern state of Thailand. Kingdom of Siam. In the 1782, the first kingdom of Kari dynasty founded the new capital in Bangkok. The movements will date and splendid for the kingdom of Siam as present date. Please, Maria Paula, continue.
Hello people, you're welcome. Thailandia began with the migration of Thai people during the first millennium into what we know is Thailandia now. Also important, the first stars were the Mon and Khmer. Okay, people, the next my parent Liliana. You welcome, Liliana.
Hello. The key moments of Thailand's development are the 1,000 years ago, the world's first farmers who worked with metal. Ayutthaya was one of the richest and largest cities in Asia. In 1982, a new king reigning Taski was in a now to move the capital to Bangkok for 1941 to 1945. And the end of the war path, this inspired an Oscar. Wielenfeld called it the bridge over the Rai Kowai. Follow companion with the follow new
Transport. Thailand is one of the fourth most tourist and economic activities countries. It offers a good transport infrastructure to travel independently with endless possibilities. Airplane. Thailand has several airports that serve both national and international. Train. State Railway of Thailand operates of Al Thailand National Railway lines covering more than kilometers, with comfortable and expensive but kids long, first, second, and third class, trains depending on the type of the train. Ship. Thailand as the first service of Lombard and the sea discovered. The famous longing boats or line these boats and the means of transports, excellent to the island of the South Thailand. Others, metro, cab, urban bus. Continue, Maria Paula.
Welcome, people. Its temple and beach are wonderful. The most important are the temple. The name is Wat Ron Kon, and the beach is Phi Island. Okay, people. The news. My parent Liliana.
Bangkok is capital of Thailand, the origin of most of the population in Buddhism. Chiang Mai it is largest city is the cultural center of northern Thailand. It has many cultural other cities and among it the 300 Buddhist temples. City de Ayutthaya. Ayutthaya. It's the capital of the Ayutthaya province in the Thailand. It is considered as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1991. Follow companion with the follow news.
In Colombia, many traditions are celebrated, some more recognized than others. For example, the Barranquilla Carnival, that is celebrated of the Atlantic coast. The festivities last 4 days. The Carnival of Black and White. This is celebrated in the south of the country. It takes place in the first month of the year. People paint their face in black and white as a tribute to their roots.
The typical gastronomy of Colombia is the paisa tray. This is traditional from the Antioquia region, originated around the 30s. Another of the typical dishes is ajiaco. It's a traditional soup composed of colored potatoes, sabanera potatoes, pastusa potatoes, long onion, arracacha, cob, chicken, and guascas. The typical jobs of Colombia are: in Antioquia, the male costume is made of on white and with a black ribbon and a ruana, machete, and alpargatas. The fan suite consisted of a long strip white flower prints and embroidery. The plain suite is generally light colors, what is a part of the trend and tanned leather sole and a white tourniquet hat. These are some of the regions. Follow company why they follow news.
Hello, people, you welcome. Okay, the, the most popular music in Colombia is vallenato, joropo, and trovas paisas.
Thank you very much for listening, as you have learned a lot about Thailand and will visit in one day.